Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. Today I have Happy Mail that I could not wait to open, and I really want to see what's in this envelope. Several years ago, right after I started my channel, I went to a crop and a lovely lady that I met named Janie, I'm 99% sure it was Janie, told me about a YouTuber that she thought I would like to watch because she was watching me work and we were talking about cards. The YouTuber that she told me about was Kristie Marcotte. Now, if you've been watching YouTube card videos, you probably know who Kristie Marcotte is. She has a ton of subscribers. Back then, she had maybe just a few more subscribers than I have now. Her channel has grown exponentially. To me, she's like a rock star. She takes a 6x6 pad, makes a plan, and then uses the whole thing and is organized enough to work on camera, stay within film, and make us an entire video so that we can see her use that pad. If you haven't seen her channel, I'll link to her below, and you definitely want to check her out. To me, she's like a rock star. When I met her at an event, I asked to have my photo taken with her and told her I thought she was like a rock star, and I embarrassed her. She's super cool. She's not at all too cool to have your picture taken with her. So maybe someday in a normal world, you'll get to see her. She was in the Queen and Company booth making cards and having fun, and I got to meet her and have my photo with her. And if I can find it, I'll insert it. It's probably on my Instagram. And she sent me a card, and I was so excited. So let's take a look. Let's see what's in it. And I wouldn't be surprised if she showed this in a video, I may have already seen it because I watch her videos. So let's see. Look at that. Clearly she's been watching me and knows me, right? Blue with stars. Yeah. Okay, let's see. All right, so first of all, she used a non-machinable stamp, so it didn't go through. Then she put a piece of cardstock on it to protect it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Blue and purple. I like you a waffle lot. Okay, I did see this stamp set. I don't remember this exact card, but there were some other ones in there too that just stole my heart. But look at that. It's all blue and purple. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if I've seen this exact one. And I don't know if you can tell, but in these rays back here, she has hologram paper. One of the things that I love about Kristie's cards is they have enough detail so that if you look a little bit longer, you see more. And I talk about that sometimes in our projects. So these little tiny embellishments, you might not notice those at first. You might not notice that it's holographic paper. You might not notice that there is dimension on the waffle and on probably butter. I mean, this is super, super cute. Thank you so much, Kristie. I love it. Seriously, my color palette. Purple and blue. You can't go wrong with purple and blue. She says, I know you like blue as much as I like pink, so I decided you needed a fun blue waffle card. I absolutely love it. Love it, Kristie. Thank you so much, and I hope you have accepted your rock star status and are getting accustomed to it, because I'm not going to remove your rock star label. Seriously, people, if you are not watching Kristie, you need to be. If you're a card maker, if you want to be smashing those small paper pads and getting them used up and really churning out some cards so that you can bring people joy, you should do it. She's amazing. Thank you so much, Kristie, and thank you so much to all of you for watching. Bye-bye.